It is so incredible to be in this space. The first week or two, I would just walk in and say, I can't believe this is my house. I'm Shannon Hopson. I'm an endocrinologist at the Corvallis Clinic. When I first looked at the house, I knew that I was going to be renovating it at some point. It was very cut off. It was a very narrow little area. You couldn't open up the oven and the dishwasher at the same time. So if there was more than one person cooking in the kitchen, you just couldn't do anything at all. I sat down with designer Caroline and Jared and just talked to them. It felt like they were going to really listen to what I had to say while also having their own ideas, which I needed inspiration to. I just pretty much gave them, these are my requirements, this is what I'm really looking for, and they came up with the space. Caroline is amazing. She just has this great vision of how things are going to be pulled together. There were some really cool computer-generated images that we were able to see exactly what everything was going to look like, almost like you were walking through it. I got a text almost every single day of, hey, this is what we're doing today. This is who's going to be at your house today. It was incredibly reassuring to me to know that somebody was keeping track of making sure that they were on schedule. And I'm a single mom, and knowing who was going to be in the house when my kids came home from school was also really nice. I just felt like I was a trusted partner in the entire process. This has never felt like my space before. The moment the vision was really coming to reality was when the island went in. Just seeing the island and all of a sudden seeing this big empty space become a kitchen was pretty incredible. I always felt like I was a visitor because it was not something I would have chosen. And so to suddenly see a vision that I had come up with a designer actually be really where I'm standing in my kitchen was amazing. The countertops are quartz and they have this wonderful texture to them. There's the little gold, which you can actually feel the gold veining. It doesn't show fingerprints. And because of all the little speckles all over it, it also doesn't show crumbs because everybody just thinks it's the speckles. If you have teens or tweens, this is the coolest thing ever. This is an instant hot water. If they like to make ramen, they just put the bowl in the sink and there's no mess. I don't have little pieces of ramen all over the house anymore. This cabinet has my mixer in it. And this is how it works. There's a little bar, you just pull it up, and then it just clicks into place. And then when you're done, you just pull the bar. Just like magic, it goes back down the way it's supposed to. And there's a drawer underneath for all the attachments. Tons of storage in our pantry. All these are just tons of shelves. And this drawer has plugs. It's got USB, USB-C, and then regular plugs. And it's the perfect place to store iPads and Kindles and that sort of thing. I actually have empty drawers in here because I don't have stuff to fill them up with yet. I'm working on that. This is my space and everything works so well. I would absolutely recommend working with Thayer. They were fantastic from start to finish. If someone was on the fence about working with them, I would tell them not to hesitate, that they would be very happy with the entire experience.